Pnawn da.
Good afternoon. I call the National Assembly for Wales to order.
And before we start the proceedings this afternoon, following our youth engagement consultation, which attracted 3,000 responses and demonstrated a huge appetite for young people to get involved, I'm very pleased to make this statement today to launch our new approach to youth engagement. Our vision is for young people's views to be fed into all aspects of the Assembly's work, and our approach to youth engagement will have three key parts. Firstly, reaching out, and whoever and wherever they are, young people in Wales will be encouraged to take part. Second, enabling debate. We will provide a variety of innovative ways for young people to take part in our work. And third, feedback. We'll explain to young people how their contributions are making a difference so they're inspired to engage further. And we're bringing in high-quality youth worker skills to complement our existing expertise and establishing a programme of events to put young people at the heart of our engagement work. And central to all these efforts are our determination to involve young people from harder-to-reach groups, developing toolkits to bring together best practice and advice for members and staff, and making the most of our online presence by using our youth website as a hub for information and discussion, as well as finding new ways to communicate through our social media channels. And this work is underpinned by a new charter which forms our contract with the young people of Wales. And I was delighted that the leaders of all the parties represented in this chamber joined me earlier to sign that charter. I'm very pleased that the young people who participated in today's celebration in signing the charter and our new approach are in the public gallery today. So I now call on party leaders to make statements outlining their political group's commitment to youth engagement. And first, the leader of Welsh Labour, Carwyn Jones.
Thank you, Llywydd. On behalf of the Labour group, I very much welcome the National Assembly's focus on youth engagement. It does fit very well with the efforts we're making in our constituencies to ensure that young people are heard loud and clear. It's increasingly important, as our Welsh democracy matures, that young people understand and appreciate the role of the Assembly in their lives. The Executive and the Legislature need to work closely together and with our partners to give young people the chance to have their say at all stages of policy development and implementation.
I now call on leader of the Welsh Conservatives, Andrew Davies.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. I am too pleased on behalf of the Welsh Conservative Group to join my colleagues in the other parties in supporting this initiative. Reaching out across Wales to tell young people about our work is indeed vital for our democracy. We need to find every way we can to make sure young people don't miss the opportunities to get involved. Opportunities to share their experiences and their views to give us the evidence that we need to ensure that policy development and lawmaking in Wales are the best they can be. That we pool the collective knowledge and expertise of all members and their constituents for the benefit of Wales and its citizens. If young people miss the opportunities to contribute, then we miss the opportunity to learn from them about what Wales wants to see for the future. The more avenues we find to promote our work, the better. Through members themselves, through our staff, through our many partner organisations, and, of course, increasingly, online. Thank you, Presiding Officer.
And now, Leanne Wood, leader of Plaid Cymru.
Diolch, Llywydd. On behalf of the Plaid Cymru group, I would like to pledge our support for more and better youth engagement by this Assembly. I particularly welcome the commitment to find new ways to enable meaningful debate. It's important that we have a diverse range of methods for talking to young people so that as many people as possible feel able and confident to give us their views. It's especially important that we do everything that we can to make sure that young people from all parts of Wales, from all communities and all backgrounds can participate. That means that we need to understand how young people are most comfortable having their say. It's excellent that members will have access to youth working skills to enable us to do this. Our work needs to inspire young people to get involved in tackling the issues that they care about and to ensure that they enjoy and benefit from the experience of the working of the Assembly. Diolch yn fawr.
And Kirsty Williams, leader of the Welsh Liberal Democrats.
Thank you very much, Presiding Officer. The Welsh Liberal Democrat Group welcomes a renewed focus on youth engagement and involving young people in Assembly business. It is clear that feedback is critical to building strong relationships with young people across Wales, and it's important that we can have a mature dialogue. We have particular ways of doing things, which sometimes take a long time, and we represent interests as diverse as the people of Wales. Young people will understand that, as long as we explain our work to them. We need to demonstrate how young people's views actually influence the work we do in committees, in this chamber and within communities. We need to demystify the procedures we follow when we are gathering and analysing evidence. And, vitally, Presiding Officer, we need to make sure that the Assembly continues to deliver for Wales in the ways we represent our country's interests, in how we make laws and how we hold the Welsh Government to account.
Well, thank you very much. It's very good to have the commitment of all the parties here, but I would like to stress this is about every single individual Assembly member and all the young people in the gallery. So thank you very much indeed for coming, and I think that deserves a real round of applause.